YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can blur your video, how you can blur part of your video. If you don't want people to see that part, how can you do that? I'm going to teach you. So the first thing you do, open your Adobe Premiere Pro. After you've done that, import your footage. You go to File, Import, or the shortcut is Control I. All right. So once you have your footage, your videos on the project panel, move your video to your timeline. So we have the video here. This is our video here. So let's assume we want to blur this particular video. We want to blur like this part. How are we going to do it? So it's very easy to do. So the next thing you do, copy this, duplicate this footage by pressing Ctrl C or right click on it. You see copy and move your timeline here, paste. That is Ctrl V. So we have, see that we have duplicated the footage. So I don't need this audio, so I will just remove the audio by right clicking on it and you unlink the video from the audio. Okay. So let me delete the audio. What we need is the video. Okay, so let me move the, we remove the audio. I'll move it up so you can see is on V2, which is video 2. All right. So like I said the other time that I want to blur this particular, okay, let me say I want to blur this area from here to here. So what I will do is, let's play the video. Okay, so let me cut the video from here. So you know how to cut by using your razor tools. See, I want to cut it, so I've done that. So it means that I'm working on this, the one I just cut now. So I will go to effects, I will type fast blur. So this is it here. I will move it to the one we copied, the one without audio. Okay, so I've applied the effect. Yeah, I'll go to my effect control. This is my effect control. Look for the fast blur. Okay, so you can see it now. So repeat edge. I will click on this and I will increase the this. You can see that everything is blurred now. Everything is blurred. Don't forget we have two footage, which is the same footage. If I do like this, I can still see the footage, which is which is video 1. All right. So like I said, I want to blur this particular area, this area. So what I will do is I will go to effect, type crop, apply it on that same footage, which is on video 2. So I will go to crop. You can see the options left, top, right. So I'm trying to crop from top. Let me crop from top. Let's see what will happen. You can see. So I've blurred this particular area. Okay. So let's move on to the next footage so that you understand better. Okay, so let's assume I want to blur this particular area. This area. I'll still repeat the same process, which is crop. Okay, so let me cut it before. Okay, so let's cut it from here. Okay, so you apply what? Apply crop and apply fast blur. Don't forget fast blur. Apply on the footage, your timeline then, and you can adjust it here. So the first thing you do, you work on the blur. You work on the blur first, which is this one. So increase it. So you can see that it's blur now. So I want this particular area to be blurred from here down to here. So what I will now do, I will go to crop. Don't forget that I've applied crop on this footage. So you will see it on your effect control, where you can control your effects you apply. So this is a crop here. So I will start from top, okay, left, left, okay. So let me say right. You can see right. So it's very, very easy for you to blur your footage if you don't want a particular information to show. I hope you've learned something today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you.